Hello everyone and welcome to Zobaze POS tutorials. In this video, we will see how to link Zobaze KDS kitchen display system with Zobaze point of sale and take orders that will be displayed in kitchen. KDS is mostly used to send customer orders directly to the kitchen. So let's get started. If you are using Zobaze POS app for the first time and want to get details of how to use it, then I recommend you to watch the English video series first and then get back to this one. Link to the video will be in description below. I'll divide this video in 3 sets to make you understand the app properly. First one will be the setup page. So you need to set up the Zobaze POS app first, like adding items to your inventory, adding customer details, etc. After the successful setup of POS app, then we will set up the KDS. Log in with the same account as of in POS, and then your business name will be shown, which is already created in POS. That's why you need to set up the POS first. So these are the basic settings or things required to get started with KDS. Phase 2 is make a sale. After successful setup, make a sale by adding items to sale counter. Then click the button below to select payment mode and to add customer details if any, which is optional. Then click on the Received by Cash button and your receipt will be generated successfully. Now the phase 3 will be to examine whether KDS is updated with the order or not. So open the KDS app in which you already logged in with the same email ID as of POS and choose your business name. Here you can see the sale we have just made. It's quick, simple and easy. You can see the order has marked as green because we have provided settings to manage your orders. Click on the settings tab. Here you can see there are color settings. If you set the green to 5, then the order will remain green for 5 minutes, and if the time exceeds, let's say 10 minutes, then the order will be marked red. That means the order hasn't delivered yet. And in between the green and red, there will be yellow coloring. Orders from table and orders from storefront will be added in next update. If the order is delivered and you want to close the order, then you can simply click on the order and choose the close order button and it will be dismissed. Click on this button and it will show all of your closed orders. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to comment below and we will get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.